want you to open this app called Blink AI. It is available on the Google Play Store. You can go ahead and then search it up and then download and use. I don't know if it is available on the iOS, but you can also look it up and then have access to it, or simply use their website, which I'll be leaving the link in the video description for you to have an easy access to it. So once you open the app, you are going to get on the home page like this. So now on the home page, you see the trend section over here. I want you to scroll to the right section, and then at the right section you see this section which says Skyfall. I want you to click on that, and then once you click on that, it will take you to this page, which it will automatically select the effect or the template for you to use. So I want you to click on the use button, and then once you click on the use button, it is going to take you to this page where you are going to be asked to upload a selfie image of yourself. So it needs to be a full selfie image of yourself. So I'm going to be uploading an image of Mr. Beast. Since he is my favorite YouTuber, I'm going to be uploading an image of him to make this Skyfall video. You can also upload any kind of image, but make sure it is not an intellectual property image or a copyright image to avoid issues. So I'm going to select this image of him and then wait for it to get uploaded, and then we proceed on. So once your image is done uploading, you are going to be shown the total credits going to be used to complete the generation, which in my case is a total of 77 credits, which you can see over here. And also, if you haven't watched the video I made about the loophole where you get unlimited credits for this application or this website and then generate videos and images unlimited, I'll be leaving the link to it in the video description and then the pinned comment section. You should go ahead and then check it out. It will help you generate images and the videos for totally free, unlimitedly. So once you are done with everything, selecting the quality of the video, then everything, I want you to click on the generate button. But before I do that, if this is your first time being on my channel, my name is Delight. I post videos about tech tutorials, how to online money tutorials, cyber security, and then so on and so on and so on. So please consider subscribing to the channel. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Help the community grow, and then also like the video if you find it helpful. So let's get back to the generation. So once you are done selecting everything, I want you to hit on the generate button, and then it will take some time to process the image and then give you the result. So once the result is available, I will get back here and then show you the full result of the image being turned into the Skyfall AI videos or things that you have been seeing on the internet. So after some few minutes of waiting, our result is finally in, and as you can see the result over here, it is not bad at all. It is pretty much amazing. And if you find any kind of like issues or things that you wanted to redo, you can simply just go ahead and then click on the regenerate button over here, and then it will recreate the video again and then fix the issue that you wanted to fix. So that is simply much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and then like the video if you find it helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.